Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when you're editing something and it says file in use. The action can't be completed because the file isn't open in system. So how you can fix this? Let's get started. First, what you have to do is press Windows plus R and then type msconfig in it. Click OK and it will open system configuration. Just go over to this boot tab and then check safe boot and then click apply OK and click on restart. After that, it will restart your PC on safe mode. Just go over to your file and delete it again. As you can see, it has deleted. And now just do the same, press Windows plus R, type msconfig, go over to boot tab, uncheck the safe mode and then click apply, OK and restart. After this, hopefully your problem solves, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed cut on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.